Okay, what's up? I'm gonna be making Play-Doh. I already got my flour now. I need to get my vegetable oil and water. Where's my Got my vegetable oil. Need water. Okay, I'm gonna pour in my water. I'm gonna pour in my vegetable oil. And mix. This was the first thing I saw. So. And I'm not going to put any food coloring because I do not feel like it. Because every time I use food coloring, I get it everywhere. And then I don't clean it up and then it stains my counter. And I'm just going to keep on mixing. Okay, and I'm still mixing. Done mixing. Okay, and I just added a little more vegetable oil. And bam.